Hey guys, welcome back. This is Cricket with another sticker haul. This one is from So Cute Planner, and I do have a code for her, and it is PRCRI318 for 20% off. And I have two hauls of hers today. Okay, first of all, this is the freebie that you get. Isn't that cute? Love that full back. I was gonna say full box and basket at the same time, and the quarter box, and then your little decos right here. Beautiful. And there's her information, but I'll also have it down in the description below. And then when you mention my name, you get this foiled freebie. So if you mention my name into the notes to seller, you get this freebie. So pretty. And then this card says, "Give me all the washi." And then I ordered, let's do the Hobonichi kits first. The first set, and this is probably the most beautiful, like, live picture kits. They're so beautiful. So this one's called Sea Life, and it is 2 pages, and it has the days of the week. I love, love, love these water trackers, flags, the dates, payday, bill due, little functional icons, your top washi and your bottom washi. Look at those. Those not beautiful. I'm going to put it up real close so you can see everything. And then here are your full boxes, your habit trackers, your quarter boxes, your to-dos. And I'm saying full boxes and quarter boxes and half boxes just because that would be what would be the size in your regular planner. So your to-dos, important littles, your appointment boxes, and then your 3 heart check boxes. And that is a full Hobonichi kit. I mean, there's pretty much not more than you need in this kit. It's gorgeous. Okay, so that was Sea Life. I'm gonna put that one right there so you can see it. This next one is Beach Bum. And again, here are your boxes. Your habit trackers, your to-dos, important littles, appointment boxes, and 3 heart check boxes. And then your days of the week, your water trackers, your flags, your little icons, your washies, top and bottom. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so there's number 2. And then the third one I got was Mayflowers. Look at those. And then look at the flowers. They are so beautiful and so much detail. And then your habit trackers, to-dos, quarter boxes, appointment boxes, 3 heart check boxes, or your days of the week, your water trackers, your flags, dates, little functional icons, your payday and bill dues, your top washi and your bottom washi. And look at that washi. That is beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, there's that one. And then I ordered the real holographic silver headers. So there are these. Look at these. Are these not beautiful? Check those out. They're beautiful. Let's see if I can get them apart though. And then there's the pink scallop and the holographic. Then your real pink glitter headers. More holographic headers. The scallop. Your real holographic headers again, just a different one. So pretty. Then the blue. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. That is gorgeous. All right, so that was one order that I ordered from. I'm gonna push this up just a little bit because I want you to still be able to see it. I might not be able to push that up. There we go. Okay. And then the second order, okay, she still gives you the washi card, the freebies. When you mention my name, you still get those. And then These are 4 boxes, full boxes, with the decorative sides, top and bottom, or decorative corners, top and bottom. And then here we go. Let's see if I can do this right. Okay. Then I ordered the black, and it's got silver payday on it. Look at these. Are these not the coolest thing? Look. I think these are amazing. Trying to get, there we go. Then I ordered the gold weather. Okay, let's see if I can do this right. Then the gold on the black icons. These are the neatest things ever. And then the days of the week with gold on the black. The bow headers on the black with the gold. And then the rose gold paydays. And this might be gold. Yeah, this is gold paydays, excuse me. I'm gonna keep that over there with the gold, so you can see all of that. And then here are the silver functionals. The silver days of the weeks with the weekend banner. The silver bow headers. And then I got the silver weather icons. And then here are the rainbow icons on the black. Now those are cool. And then I got the holographic payday. Let me move all this out of the way. The rose gold headers. Isn't that pretty on that black? Let's put that right there. The holographic icons. The rose gold days of the weeks. That's so cool. Look at those, they're beautiful. Rose gold paydays. Rose gold icons. And then the rose gold large days of the weeks with the weekend banner. And then I got the rose gold scallop headers. They're foiled in vinyl for the Erin Condren. That's beautiful. Look at that. The real pink headers, which y'all can tell I love because I had to order 2 of those. I always use those. Then I ordered the holographic blue vinyl again. I got a lot of mermaid kits for summer, that's why. And then the holographic scalloped headers. All right, guys, that is what I got from So Cute Planner. You're gonna have to check her out. She does $2 Tuesdays. She has new releases all the time. She's in the TPC sale quite a bit. And don't forget that if you mention my name in Notes to Seller, you also get a free foiled PR freebie, and my code is PRCRI318 for 20% off. Go check her out and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and check out PlannerNina_Cricket so that you can be up to date on all these sales. I hope y'all have an awesome, blessed day, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.